Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model X hood. First, ensure your vehicle is in park. Then, navigate to the controls menu on your large touchscreen display. Look for the frunk or front trunk option and tap it. You'll hear a small click and the hood will release slightly. This is the primary method for accessing the front storage area. Once you've tapped the frunk icon on your touchscreen, the hood will unlatch and lift just a few inches. This initial pop indicates it's ready to be opened further. To fully open it, simply walk to the front of your Model X and gently lift the hood by hand. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to manage, giving you full access to the front trunk space. In rare cases, if your touchscreen isn't working, there's a manual release. You'll find a small access panel inside the front passenger wheel well. Carefully remove this panel to expose a release cable. Give this cable a firm pull and the hood will unlatch. This backup method ensures you can always access your front trunk, even in an emergency. Knowing the manual release is vital, especially if you ever need to access the 12-volt battery for maintenance or jump-starting. When closing the hood, always lower it gently and press down firmly on the front edges until you hear both latches engage. This prevents accidental opening and ensures a secure seal. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.